letter K. Top to bottom, up to the middle, kick out, back in, kick down. K is for kitten. K. The actor acted as a king in a play, having kiwis. A servant brought a tea set with a kettle. The king laughed at the servant's acting. Do you want to do the role play of a king?
Kiwi near a kettle. A yummy sight. Unlock the flavor with the key. Just right. King. 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 Kangaroo. 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 Keys. 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 Kettle. 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 Kiwi. Kiwi. K.